Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying the Firestick is updated and on the same network as your router. Once done, open Settings and connect to your chosen Wi-Fi band, entering the SSID and password. Make sure developer options are enabled when you plan to sideload apps. This allows installation steps beyond the App Store. You do these steps now so later actions, like installing browsers or VPNs, won't be blocked. Check signal strength and reboot the stick if connection is weak. Next, you install the software you need to browse. Open the App Store and add Silk Browser or Firefox. These provide basic internet access. If you need a different browser, sideload it using Downloader. Allow permissions, paste the APK URL, and install. At the same time, set up a VPN app from the store, sign in, and connect to a region of your choice to avoid geo-restrictions. Make sure to grant network permissions so pages and media load properly. Finally, optimize and verify everything works. You should set the correct display resolution and pair a remote or Bluetooth mouse and keyboard for easier navigation. Test browsing and streaming. If pages fail to load, clear the browser cache, restart the Firestick, and check your router or modem. If VPN causes slowdowns, try a different server or switch DNS settings. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both the Firestick and router together to resolve most connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.